Okay, let's take a quick look at what the blizzard of 2013 has done. Spent a lot of time yesterday digging out the old snowblower, circled the house, put a path so I could get to some parts of. We got about a good 2 feet here. Of course, I had to clean out a little bit of the backyard so the dog could do her business. And you can see the roof up there. Got quite a bit of snow. There's a ravine here behind our house. I was surprised to find it here when I first moved here. It's pretty deep. I guess it's 100 foot deeper on the other side there. Something or someone has been down here already. Huh. They look human to me. Oh, I don't know. No, I guess they're not human. Oh, there's a pile of scat. So for those of you who have never snowshoed, the idea is if you have a place where you regularly go, you can beat down a path. As you see the path on the way down, it's now a little bit easier. Of course, if you live somewhere where the snow gets crusty and hard, you won't have this problem. This happens to be 2 feet of powder that fell yesterday.